7. He's 7.
You're happy.
He's over here?
Fahad?
Yeah.
Who's Hamza? Okay, you can't be number 10 as well. You need to, like, you both can't have the same number. That's not how sports works. You have to have a different number. So you need to figure out whether you're going to get a marker and add a 0 after it on the shirt.
Can I make it into 19?
You can.
Because that's what my number is.
Yeah, any number you want, because remember, each week, if you bring a different white shirt, you can just write that number in.
Yeah.
So whatever
Back.
the easiest.
Again, Mufti.
Let's see the back. Because it's already coming off. So do you want to put a line in it, or you want to put a number?
Just put a line in 18, Fahad. It's okay. Or
Yeah, 18 would be missing. 19
Watch the middle.
would be missing.
Keep your any shirt pads on you, man.
18? Oh, definitely. Okay, let's see. Give me the marker there. Let's see what this is. Okay, just roll it up. Just give me one line then. I don't know if it's gonna come out.
so she had the marker, right?
Mini. Lunch shoes bench.
She had the marker. Like, talk to her.
Yeah, I have your shit, man. Do you need them
You don't
now?
have all these shoes?
I mean, Yusuf is wearing it now. But if you're going, take them on.
They're going to be gay though. Like,
If they, okay, go on. If they say something, then come back and put it on.
what? Goalie? Real goalie.
Hey, ref. Long time. Through. You have Justin. Let's go, Justin. Get it back. Play short.
Oh, gloves? Take your jacket. Take your jacket off. Take your jacket off. There you go. It's ridiculous.
You have Hamza.
Oh, you need pants. That's all like we can do. So either you want to go in.
Shoot. Excellent.
No, we need tape. No, this guy doesn't. Where's the marker?
She has it. She has it. Let's go. Let's go, Armand. Don't commit. Contain. Contain. Exactly. Well done. Don't let him shoot. Bro, aren't there any shin pads over there? Anything that you can put? Bro, try it. You see that coffee?
Yeah.
Coffee cup?
Just use mine, it's fine. Wait, Armand, how
Bro.
are you gonna play?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, hold up, no? Yes, these actually have the.
Oh, yeah. Just give him those.
They lost it. They lost it. Let's go, team. Look easy. Your goalie.
No, Ivan, kick it up.
Through.
No.
On the left. You have time. You have bird time.
Nice, Hamza.
Goal! Hey, get over here.
Go, bro. Yeah. Can I go on?
Oh yeah, Adele.
Nice, Abdel.
IQ.
No, stop. Let me go.
Wait, what? Well done, man.
This isn't a cut in. I'm like waiting in the middle. Trying to pass me so I can bounce back.
It was the final pass.
No. Keep your shape. You're waiting for me to run in. Like there's nothing to do with my running.
So you just have to decoy.
Come on, Fahad. That's you. That's you. Clear already if you want. Buddy.
Pass back. Nice. Find forward. Nice. Keep it on the ground.
Middle. Look at Abdo. They're through. It's okay, man.
Drink water. You want water?
Come on, Fahad.
Nice.
It's okay. Oh, yeah.
There you go.
You have time, Musti. Okay. Arman, in 30 seconds, get ready to go for Abdon, even if he's not tired. We need to do subs quick.
Calm down.
See?
You need to relax.
Same thing, man.
Bro, look for the 1-2.
We're gonna have the ball. No, just kidding. I know what you mean.
He got the pass when he started running, he just turned around.
Don't block. Just block. You have Musti.
How are we not allowed to use tape? But I can.
Did he just handballed it? Like Hamza took a kick in and then he touched it with his hand.
I don't think he took a kick in. After 1 hour.
Did it?
I think so. That would have said something.
Oh, I'm sure. Bro, just stretch them a little bit. Go on the ground, do some stretches.
Yeah, good. Nice.
Well done, Yusuf.
Good.
That's why you needed the shin pads.
Yo, get a man.
Neil, get ready to go in for Musti. Time is running.
Yeah, good job, Arman.
Good job, Arman.
Sure.
Look at the king.
Go quick.
Look at Ibad. You have Ibad open.
Yeah, give back to the commissioner.
Oh, yeah, I don't feel it.
I'm talking that way.
I was like, bro, that was so hectic.
He's mad.
Yeah, stay in front of them. Yeah, relax.
MLS soccer, relax.
9 minutes have gone by, Neil. So get ready.
Has he been on the whole time?
Yeah.
Hamza's been on the whole time.
Yeah, exactly.
And he won.
Yeah, exactly. We need to do subs quick. That way we're not tired on the field and they don't score.
Hey! Are they gonna let you play?
What? Yeah, they're gonna play. Let him play.
We're in black.
Stop being racist, man.
I mean, we're wearing white, bro. You're doing too much.
Neil, call him.
Arman, go middle. There you go.
I guess that's the beast.
There you go.
No.
Bro, no one of them needs to sub. They've been on the whole time.
Okay, then go.
Yeah, going for rebound.
Or Musti, or one of the two, man. They have to sub.
You good? You good? You want to switch?
Well, don't ask him right now. He has the ball. Go down, bro. Go down.
Bro, Edwin should be commentating here, man. Never mind.
Ask him. Ibad. Yeah, louder, man.
Ibad!
Ibad! You good, bro? Switch. Go! What's going on, bro? Motherfuckers are asleep, man. I swear to God.
You have Justin! Back! Go back, Fahad!
Nice.
Well done.
Well done. You see Armand in the middle. Armand, go in the middle. Man on. Bro, how the fuck am I the one screaming man on from here?
What's man on? Man behind you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You need to like a guys guarding you or coming to guard you. Like, hurry up.
Fast passes.
Okay, the king is clearly injured.
Yeah.
He clearly, it's the groin
Didn't
injury.
warm up at all.
Too much of the good thing,
I don't think they warmed up either. Nice, Neil.
Nice. Exactly. Just kick it out. You need to look at behind. Clear it.
Nice.
Run!
Let's go, all you, Armand, all you. Go, Hamza. Go. Well done, Rev. Well done. You're going?
Passing is like.
You hold it while you breathe. It's a rest, Let your body feel it. Goalie, kick it out.
Nice.
Well, yeah, Justin was doing better. Midfield? I don't.
Armand.
No. Let,
Hamza, play striker. Armand's back.
Armand.
wait.
Yeah, you gotta tell me what to do.
Well done, man.
Nice, Hamza. Good shit.
Yeah, you're right. I can't turn and look at you when
No.
I'm fucking defense.
Exactly. Well done, Armand. That's good thinking. Good IQ. And well done, Abdul. That goal was a lot because of you.
Yeah, he did that fake. I don't know if he intended to, but he did that.
No, he did that.
Over the ball slip.
I taught him that, bro. I taught him that body, Back to Hamza if you need him.
Because the ref doesn't, or the keeper doesn't see it.
Hamza, cover for Musi.
Cover for Musti.
Yeah, good shit.
Goalie. Ah, come on. Oh, come on. Ref, he saw it. He saw that he had a chance to get it.
Mark, free kick, quick.
Shoulder to shoulder, isn't it?
Yo, Mark, Musti, Armand.
Bro.
Hold strong, boys. Oh, yeah!
That's Esteban over there, that guy. That's 80-year-old Esteban right there.
Fuck you, man. Ref, is there VAR here?
From his village for a day.
Bro, why? Because he missed?
He rode here on a panda.
Esteban betrayed us.
This bitch.
He rode here on a panda.
Switch! Excellent! Hamza, all you! Go! Explode! Somebody attack second!
No, we need to change out.
The second post.
Because like, there's 3 players in one position.
Bro, you're doing fine, trust me.
Shoot!
Bro, if you were playing like last game,
That's a
it
good
would be
shot.
different. You guys are playing good.
In the same position and Ravi. One position only. Okay. So I'm saying like get 1 hour of that.
Yo, Rondo for Hadi, man.
So for example, like, okay, one of them to play in the midfield as well?
Yeah, whatever. Or someone moving defense. Somewhere in there. Keep it low! Oh God, we never.
Look at Justin!
No!
He's probably playing on the dome right now with the random team thing in the dust.
Yeah, get that!
Okay, Hamza, go back! Goalie!
Job, good.
Ibad. Call somebody.
You want to keep playing?
It's okay, guys. We need to continue playing the way we were. Because we were playing good. This man, Justin, had a good chance. Take your time. They're not pressuring you.
Yeah, open space. You're good, man. Open space.
They want two. They want the triangle.
Fahad, you're the only one back.
Get back, Musty. Get back.
Bro,
Yo, two guys got
Fahad, you're not gonna take the corner. Yo, Justin, go back. Right there.
Shoot.
Like a man.
Shoot it.
He tripped.
No, he went down.
Yeah, didn't he not trip?
Again, good job.
Didn't look like he got pushed.
Oh, yeah.
By the way, that wasn't a foul over here. Yeah. Bro, that's what I told the ref. Like the ball was out of his reach. That's why he dove. That's referee 101.
Let's go, Mark.
Handball.
Oh, yeah, Musty.
Oh,
Put your chest in it. Okay.
yo, Mark.
Just contain it. Just contain. Relax.
There you go.
There's no striker, bro. Our striker is legit just.
Okay.
Can't see it, right?
Shoot.
Come, transition to the middle, Musty.
Shoot.
I didn't even see that. Like, no vision, bro. Soccer vision is different than basketball.
Go back if you need to.
Like, the plays you see
Please
are
don't overcomplicate it, boys.
You can.
Nice, simple. That's it.
Nice.
You see Justin on the right.
You have time.
Oh wow, bro, what the fuck?
Touch.
Good job.
Not touch, man.
Like you need to just a little bit like more aggressive.
5:40. Okay, so
Nice. Somebody
down the line.
go middle.
You take it. Explode. Let's go. Yep. It's okay. Slow down, guys. Guys, let me tell you something. You guys are playing way better than last game. Yes, it does. It means that you guys don't need to change as much.
No, I'm saying that.
Get it out. Yeah.
Get it out! Nice!
Nice, Travis.
Mark! Nice, get it out!
Run, Justin, run! Okay, switch.
One of you guys has to take advantage for a
And
Take charge.
6 minutes. 6 minutes have gone since you guys have switched, which is usually the time that you have switched.
Nice!
Out. Yes. Out again. Go again. Catch it. Oh.
No.
All right, boys.
Yo, bring it in!
Boys,
Boys, bring it in quick!
all right, listen, boys. The good thing is we're executing what we no, listen, in the middle. Listen. Keep making that. It's okay. When the blinds bracket, you don't need to sit yourself. No, just tell me what's wrong.
Yo, honestly, they're giving us plenty of time in the middle of the field. They're giving us so much space. Men have to give options, bro. Give options. When you see a man make a run to the middle or the wing, show for him. Don't stay too high.
Listen. What we talked about over the weekend, we're executing it good. Like we're keeping it short, we're doing it. The passing, it has to have better quality. Okay, mans are like And don't overcomplicate it.
Also, clear Buddha.
It's okay.
Buddha.
Yeah.
And yo, we have space and time to make
He's gonna kick it. I should kick it.
have space and time.
It's okay.
It's okay.
It's okay, that's done now, bro. It's fine.
We didn't concede.
It's okay.
So it doesn't matter. Just all I'm saying is, like, first of all,
on the team, bro? Come. Yeah, get in here, bro.
yeah.
Don't be doing that shit.
Come here, first of all, nobody shit themselves. Alright, because we're doing fine. We're doing fine. Let's just not overcomplicate it. And just keep it. Because we have time, bro. We have a lot more time.
Yo,
than you
they're
think.
giving us space,
But
bro.
just don't take too many touches and try to dribble too much. Especially if you're playing in the back.
But yo,
Yeah, if you're playing in the back, don't.
Their defending isn't that great.
It's not.
Keep the ball on the ground because if it's in the air, you're giving them a chance.
Yeah.
Don't give them a chance.
Yeah.
Keep it on the ground. Keep moving and then show options.
And
They're
yo,
moving together.
don't space out too far from the ball. Keep a one touch, one pass away
Go
from
for
the
the
ball.
second ball.
Yo,
You're such a
and the other thing I noticed, when the ball's on the right side, the two defenders, one is going on the right, and the other one's going completely left. Middle's
The middle's
open.
open.
The guy who's on the left, not involved in the game, come middle.
Exactly.
Switch together.
You have to go in the middle. You gotta transition. Attack the net, boys.
Mark people early, bro.
Yeah.
When they're running back, make sure to sprint back and mark somebody.
And yo, the two people playing back, get in the offense, but don't get too deep into it. Stay a little bit back so you're ready to get back.
Options, but you can't just fully push out, right?
Good job.
Keep them playing over here on the sides. That's fine. Don't middle area. No, don't allow them up. Alright?
This is a pretty easy.
Bro, get physical with them. They don't like it.
You can go center back.
Touch it.
Bro, you know what? If the guy wide can try, you have to read the game. But
Whoever. I'm playing center back though.
Musti.
So you can think it's Leo's a guy and tell me how to make the two defenders like this. I literally play step here. Yeah, run the ball. If you see the space, run the middle. You're doing a good job coming option. Come short.
Mostly just kind of looking at you.
Yeah, sure. You're sitting in space. Leo, you wanna go?
Go.
Yo, fam.
Okay.
Picture every man is Hamza Mohammed.
Nah, I'm not playing serious, bro. I just we're not playing that.
We're not.
You got some good looks.
No man, you guys have been playing
I'm just trying to
good.
give you guys an option, like
You're doing well.
I don't care to score anything.
The
These guys
option
can't.
is your score.
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah. You're doing well.
play loose. That was my bad. I should have played it. Go play hard.
No, it's
I was
fine.
on my left, so
It was literally both.
Bro, that happens to professionals,
You
like,
can see the goal, so
and that happens to professionals, man. So it's okay.
that was like 10 minutes ago.
Yeah. Like I've seen worse
There you
shit
go.
from you guys before, so it's okay, guys.
Again, you got him again.
Through.
Yeah.
Hand. Brother. It hit an extremity and then it hit his hand. That's why he's not calling it.
his hand was like this.
Yes, but it hit off his foot and then it went to his hand. That's why he's not calling it. Yeah. He had no control over it.
Just like anything else, and then it bounces back.
Yeah, he had no control over it, basically.
Extremity was wrong. So is that what happened to me over there? Extremity?
Yo, come short. Yo, come short.
They hit something else.
Well done. Through.
Ah, you found him.
Shoot! Like a man.
Ah, good try.
Well done. Bro, I have never seen you guys play this good, man.
Fucking, that was exactly what I'm talking about, bro. Three simple passes.
Bro.
We can do that.
Bro, with this hand, I can count the number of times that I've seen you guys play this well with this hand. And this means that you
here. Top goal scorer, 2 goals.
exactly.
Okay. With my
And you're gonna get another one.
teammate here, right?
Roommate.
Hey,
Yo. Scoring one today, me and Armand. 6-1.
Now, next time you score Hamza Gilani, you need to come and celebrate right here.
Playing the whole time.
Yeah, do the shit guy scored. That's ask him off.
Ask. You guys need to ask. Let's go. Let's not be afraid. It's okay. Get him out. Clear. On the left.
Oh yeah, again.
Shoot.
Nice.
Shoot.
See him. No. Yeah, get back.
Go back, Fahad. Go back.
Run back and mark.
Excellent, Neil. That was like a goal from this man. Let's go, Neil. Don't bite. Let's go. Excellent. Clear. Let's go, Abdul. Press this man's. Oh, yeah. Press this man. Let's go. Well done, man. Abdel's reaction was funny, man.
Bro!
You good, you good? Oh, you actually could have headed that, though. That was
Yeah, that's a really good ball. I won't lie. I take my ball back. Bro, amazing.
I'll double hit that one still.
You guys fucking volleyballed him.
No. Fuck him. He wants talks and he wants, you know, negativity. Give him negativity. No, just kidding.
That's it, stick. Mark!
Block!
Nice. Good shit.
Hey, Justin and Hamza.
Musti.
No. Or okay, go. Go, ask him.
Musti. You gonna want to switch? Go sprint quick. Quick. Adel.
Fahad behind. Play quick to Hamza. You have Justin. You have lots of options. Take your time.
There you go.
Through.
Nice.
It's okay. We have the ball.
Adel.
Look at your options. You have your goalie even if you need him. Back to him if you need him.
Go, make space.
Good decision making.
Well done, guys. Well done. Good marking. Look, you have Justin. Look at Fahad. Look at Ibar. Ours. What?
I'm not in the middle.
How did the ball go there?
Just to see him.
We need more mobility, Fahad. When we get the ball, we need more mobility to support one another.
You're good.
Nice.
Excellent, Justin. Excellent. Justin,
Yusuf.
ask for it. Ask.
Yusuf, go long, bro. Damn, can't turn it over here, fam.
Bro, the thing is that we have the touch of.
Nice.
Help him out.
We're not having a good touch, and we're losing it on the touch.
Nice, take it.
Middle! Let's go, Armand! 1-1.
Head up.
Whoa, come on, ref. Come on. Man's even smiling, bro. See, this is what you guys shouldn't judge me when I do this and shit.
Bro, they don't allow tape. You have to put a bottle. Go on if she.
Nice, Yusuf. Get it out. Nice, Yusuf, bro. Get the ball.
Yes, well done. Well done, Justin.
So we all put markers at the back of our jersey. Just
Concentrate, guys. Concentrate, everybody.
Oh, Zayn, bro. You've been missing.
Okay.
I have one jersey, but that was only when the lady was there. Doesn't care. Who scored for us?
Look at Justin.
Nice, Armand.
We're,
Yeah, go. Shoot.
hey, foul.
That's not a pen? He's pointing to. Oh, it's a goal.
No, goal kick.
Yo, good run, Armand.
Good job, man.
Yo, Armand, point that.
We cannot fall in the temptation of the long ball again.
Zion is gone next.
I'm sure Edwin would have more to say about this. Okay, but Hassan, remember, don't abuse the long ball.
Help him out, Armand. That's you. Hamza, help him.
Their ball.
Get out the middle. Get to the middle.
Hamza behind you. Hamza behind. Header, go to body.
It's a 2-on-1. Yeah, get that ball. Get that ball.
It's okay. It's okay. Just keep your shape. Just keep your shape. Don't press too much. Just keep your shape.
Bro, with this number 15, don't commit. Don't commit, but you know, contain and go closer. Clear! It's okay. Let's go.
Middle, middle.
Let's go, Armand! Let's go, let's go! Quick, Fahad! Hamza! Go up, Hamza! Switch! Oh, come on, man. We had the perfect counter attack, man.
Yo, keep your head up. Keep your head up. It's okay. Keep your head up.
Yo. What are you saying? Fad needs a sub. Who? Fad, it's okay. Fad needs a sub.
Neil, you can go. You go for Fahad.
Fad, whenever you're ready. Fad, whenever you're ready.
Go.
Fad at all?
So when yeah, get ready, go on. And when we are not able to keep the ball.
Well done, Neil. The team has not been able to keep the ball ever since they started doing long balls again and more difficult passes.
You get that to Yusuf?
Switch!
Yes!
Need to release quicker.
What do you guys do? He wants to change his thing is man
Man on.
That is not the problem.
Support your keeper. Give him options. That's ours. Okay, slow down. Wait. Good run, man. Good chance that you had.
Stop running with your head down. Okay. Because the play switches and you don't notice because you're looking down, running to all the way. It's a lot of running.
Okay,
When you play switches and you run back.
I'll fix that.
Be aware.
Okay.
Good run, man.
Hand?
Let's go!
Hand.
Why are you laying hand on this thing?
No. It's ours. What? It was a hand on the yellow. It wasn't not Justin. It was on the guy.
We got numbers. You have Neil.
This guy's throwing it in like desert.
Go middle, Justin. Go middle.
Last man.
Justin and Fog, get back.
Yusuf, you want to switch?
Wait, what?
Yeah, let's go!
I'll come on for you.
Wait, what?
No. Okay.
Why?
He wants to switch.
I know, I understand the rule. I understand.
No.
Nice! There you go.
Get back.
Yo, get back and mark!
Okay.
Yo, get back and mark! Nice,
Well done.
Justin. Thank you!
Stand in front of the ball, Justin, or something.
Yo, behind you, Neil.
Don't let them take it that quick.
Let's go,
Bro,
bro!
Saim, when are you going to go on?
Yo, Musi's
Exactly.
When the time comes, I think we should Same. When the time comes, like when we're in a good spot, get Musi. He looks tired.
Guys, help Saim out when you guys can.
Get it out.
Get it out!
He doesn't have it.
I didn't mean.
Well done. Let's go, Ravi. Let's go. Don't let me shoot. Clear.
Run, Neil, run, yeah.
Get him.
Same.
Yo, Musti, you good?
Musti. Let's go, Saim. Let's go.
Run in.
Go.
There you go.
Hamsan, get ready. Please, we need you. Wait, hand? Let's go. All you have time. Fuck.
Let's go, let's go, let's go!
Go back, Saim. Come on. Somebody.
Nice!
Clear that shit. Clear that shit.
Nice, Justin. You're the best.
Is Fahad tired? You good, man?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay. Whenever you can go in for him, and then he'll switch you back quick. Or going for Neil, one of the two.
There you go!
Or Justin or Neil or somebody.
There's the clock there for 10 minutes, 10 minutes.
15. Wait, 10.
Nice. Justin, behind you.
Right there. Be on his back, be behind him. Just block, it's okay. Let's go. You have time, keeper. Clear. Let's go, Rabdo, buddy. Goalie. Keeper. What?
Pull it in and hold it.
Corner.
So then it's our ball because they hit the hole.
Corner. He's calling corner. Bro. Come on.
No, we can't concede anyway, bro. No, we can't concede, bro. What's the क्या कह रहा है? 50 मिनट है, फिर 10 मिनट रहती है, क्या बात कर रहा है?
We're only 2-1. It's only 2-1. Look at Justin.
Quick.
Look at Justin. Man, why are you going for the long ball?
There's one with them too, like.
Bro, Justin was here open.
He didn't play quick. Nice. Oh.
It's not about playing it quick. The man was open. Bro, like, you men need to control those surges, man.
Yeah.
We were playing so well in the first half because...
Fans just shit themselves, bro. Like, that's so frustrating.
Look at Justin.
Nice.
It's okay. Forget about it.
The game's going on. Run hard.
Shoot. Well done.
Well done, that's okay.
That's what I'm talking about, Fahad. Let's go. Okay. 7 minutes left. Header or something?
That's us.
Hey, get it out. Get it out.
Nice.
Fahad, buddy. Middle. Line. You have Neil. Come on, Neil. Shoot it, buddy.
Go back. That's it. Fine, that's good.
Ah, it's okay.
The game's almost done anyway.
Hamza, call for her.
Keep it press. He never high-sided me.
Well done. No, it's okay. He's concentrated. He's concentrated in the game.
Every 2 minutes. I'm playing defense. And then he's going to switch off defense, so I just kept playing like his defense.
No, it's okay, man. Well done. Help him out, Neil.
It's only like...
Huh? 6 minutes.
Armand! Heavy press.
Give it to Saeem.
Yo, everybody press, man.
You're good, Armand. Get it out.
Get on him. Yeah, there you go. Yeah.
Let's go, Hamza. Exactly. Okay, now slow down the game.
Take that shot, Paul. Take that shot.
Go back to Saeem. You have time, buddy. Take your time. Take your time to make the best decision possible. Goalie, clear if you need him.
Good. Armand, that's yours. Control. Short pass. You're good, Armand. You're good.
Yeah, fight too. Yeah.
That's ours. Go, attack the box, Armana. Attack the box. More mans on the box. Come on.
Yo, get back
Inside.
It's only fucking 4 minutes, bro. Press hard. You're fast, bro. Oh yeah, okay, wait it out. So.
Yeah, Neil and Neil, somebody's gonna come off, and you guys need to be ready for it.
Cost yourself, you run in first. You just press, bro.
Well done,
Yo,
man.
get up, Ramon.
You're playing defense.
Let's go, Armand. Well done. Armand, get back. Get back. Okay, now push up. Through. Well done. You have time. You have Fahad. You have the king. Control the long balls.
You say you have the king?
Yeah, you have the king Fahad, man. That's his nickname.
Yeah, bro. Because the thing is, you're
Man on, Fahad.
Nobody else is pressing.
You have Yusuf.
And look how with just you, it works. Just you.
You have time.
Oh, release.
There you go.
Man.
You got middle.
Somebody support him. Support him, Ravi. Help him out, Ravi. Double team. Next time, double team.
Watch his option.
Nice.
Clear.
Good try.
Nice, bro.
Good.
Bro, Justin, go for me. Okay? Sure? Whenever you can. Ask me to change. Yes. I believe in you.
I don't even know positions.
He's playing mid, man. Neil, switch!
Let him play, bro.
Bro, how come I have more trust in you than yourself, man?
I'm tired, bro. I don't think I can run that much.
Then you switch back.
Everyone's ready to switch back.
Then you just wait 1 more second and then you switch back. Let's go, Justin. Let's go.
Everybody get up. Yo, get E-Bot.
Switch with Ibad or
Run in and tell them.
Ibad, when you can switch with Justin.
When there's a dead ball. When it's like a dead ball.
Let's go, Ravi! Switch, Ibad! What? Ibad just came on?
Yeah, for me. I just came off of the river.
Put a foot in.
Why is he playing striker?
Let's go, Musti! Let's go, Abdul! Clear that shit! Clear! Hard! You have to kick the ball like you mean it!
Who did it come off of?
What?
Who'd the ball couldn't come off?
I don't even know, man.
What did he say?
No, maybe the reference right, man. It's just that we didn't see it. Well done! Justin, slow down. We need guys open for the goalie. You have Musti, you have options. Musti, stay open for Hamza. Always stay open. Musti, your last man. Musti. And just contain. Don't bite. Don't bite too much. Just contain, relax. Relax. Excellent, Musti.
It's only 24-minute house?
25. 1 more minute, guys. Let's go. Counter, let's go. Let's go. Well done. I was getting ready for the celebration, man.
Yo, you have to press hard!
It's because us three don't play, bro. So we don't want two guys that don't play.
I'm saying you guys join the league because of you guys as well.
I'm not pressed about PT at all.
We could take more advantage of us.
Like Armand could play.
Oh yeah, I don't mind that.
Armand could play more. Like, that's
Bro, I'm gonna be honest, the conditioning on this team is cooked.
Yeah,
when
so
we
your
actually
cardio
press,
help us on the way.
when we press, we could actually get the ball easy and they fuck up more. But we press for like 2 seconds and guys get cooked.
They're playing pretty slow, bro. We could've-
They're playing so slow. And we have enough subs to where you can give it like an intense 30-second effort. And if you're tired, fucking sub off. Somebody else will come get you.
Yeah, they're messing
Why are we not pressing?
We don't need to press the whole time, but we need to press more, bro.
Yeah, we need to press
Pressing the
more.
whole time is like they figure it out. It's too easy, but pressing like every 3 minutes. Yeah, the right time is gonna go.
And as well, how we're pressing as well. Like, it's as well how we're pressing. We have to kind of push them to one side and then press them. Right?
Yeah.
You can't lie, bro. I'm gonna be honest, bro. I'm gonna say straight up. Like, me and him basically play defense today.
Yeah.
I had to, like, that's fucking ridiculous.
Yeah.
I should not have to play this fucking deep, bro.
Yeah.
Like, it's.
But it's because when man's playing back on offense, they go too deep on offense.
No, it's not even that, bro. It's like, even when we have like
When we have the ball from the back,
Yeah.
man just can't take it ball.
bro, it's
I was
not.
supposed to be playing midfield. I kept coming back and going back in front. Like, you know,
Bro, Yusuf, my side was always like most goals.
So you have to yell for it,
Bro,
bro.
I told him before I came to the
But it
game.
doesn't matter. You have to yell it, bro, because he's not gonna like. You have to yell it.
No, he
Yeah.
actually told me, but like when I saw you, I didn't see it. It was
Bro, like I'm
Bro,
sorry, bro.
it was more open.
when he called,
Defense takes too long on the ball too, bro.
Yeah, us, like they were. I don't know if they were pressing.
Like,
more, like,
this is what I was saying, right? Look on one side and like kind of fake it. Like if you look over there, everyone's gonna shift there, thinking the ball's gonna go there. And that's
I did that.
gonna do
Yeah.
that.
No, but
Do it multiple times.
His first pass was to an open man, and that guy would throw a turnover pass. He wasn't throwing a turnover pass. He would throw it to whatever side, and that guy's first pass would be a turnover.
Nah, the goal that we scored went right to the guy.
Off the goalkeeper?
Yeah.
Oh,
That
The
one
second
goal.
was
Yeah, the second one. He just kicked it, but then
Yeah.
I think
second
he missed it.
goal,
He tried to pass the Hamza.
That second goal was
And he kicked it right to the guy.
Yeah, second goal went right to the guy.
Yeah.
Bro, if you want me and him to be on, or like us to suffer different positions, we have to play a different
Yeah.
position. We can't play midfield, bro. Like me, Armand midfield is cooked.
No, but Abdul can play
it's
midfield.
either midfield or
We
nine.
can't, bro.
I think you should
You
see
saw his
him.
touches at striker.
Think so?
He's not
Yeah.
playing midfield. Bro. He can play striker. Fine.
He has to touch about more.
No, I agree still. I agree.
But I feel like sometimes he, like with his body, he will compensate for that.
You can attack the four if you're
But-
playing 2-2.
Bro, it's like
Every formation you play, you can
Okay.
attack the four.
Yeah,
It's just about
three if you want to.
Bro, it's about having sense though. Like I'm it's actually some of the IQ on our team is fucking appalling.
Bro,
especially
okay,
from like
so
the mans
I-
that play. Why the fuck do the mans that don't play soccer have better IQ than the mans
Bro,
that play
bro, this is
soccer?
what I'm saying. So me and him, at least me and him were doing it. Armand kind of. Armand just is like press, straight press. But me and him will come to the wing and like say Hamza's coming off the side, right?
Yeah.
On the left side.
On
I come to the left side not for a pass to open up the middle.
Exactly.
And then
Yeah.
you guys are staying on the
Yeah.
right.
Yeah, exactly, bro.
And then if I turn around and say cover middle, the guy's just gonna be
Yeah,
in the
like
middle.
literally the
Bro,
most.
it's like a triangle.
Yeah.
And like when this part of the triangle goes there, then this part comes
The
in.
only
to keep
time
the
I actually
triangle.
got looks was when I played with like him. Because
When I run to there, somebody go where I was.
Exactly.
And
Somebody
then
fill the
I-
fucking house.
Yeah.
And I'm just bold.
Like a carousel.
He hits it to me, I hit it to him.
Exactly.
Or he hits it to me and then I
No, Hamza sees it. Like when I run, he sees it and he's looking in middle, but there's no one there. And then I have to cut back out.
Yeah, and then
it's just fuck. Like he gets pressed, you can't do anything.
Yeah, look, the two guys back, you're there for like longer shots. You're still in the offense. You're just there in the back.
No,
if there's no option there, you kick it back.
You're a defender on the team. You're not a defender. You're also a playmaker. Okay,
You're literally- yeah,
but
you're a
like, that's
playmaker
how you have to
position,
play 5-on-5. But at the same time, you can't take 3 touches and make the same pass that you would have taken if you took 1 touch. Do you know what I mean? Because then the pass that you were going to make originally,
It's easy to read
it's red.
Bro, also just fucking like have, bro, like just make a fucking stupid pass. Like, who gives a fuck, bro? You guys are playing too serious. Man, I'm looking at guys' faces and they look like they're in the final, bro. Like,
Yeah, bro. Don't shoot yourself, please, bro.
If you gotta let him have
bro, look at like Abdul did some dumb shit. He stepped over the ball on the fake. Yeah,
That's some stupid shit to do. It worked though. No, he did it intentionally.
No, yeah. We practiced that. We practiced that here. We
Right?
practiced
Like,
that.
Just make stupid plays. He can come up. It doesn't fucking matter. Like,
Okay.
Hamza passed it to me. I tried to hit a little thing. It went out.
All I'm gonna say is that sometimes you guys see something because like you guys are playing in there and you guys see it differently that someone from the outside. So let Edwin talk.
Shoot the ball, man.
What do you think happened today, Edwin?
Ryan came like last 10 minutes of the game.
Talk to him.
Yeah, you get
Come
one
on.
touch, fucking shoot it.
Oh, he did.
You saw it from outside too.
Well, yeah, but they're not gonna believe me. If I say that they played well, they're gonna be like, "What the fuck?"
And if you fuck up, the game is still going on. Don't put your head down. What the
Bro, ball was live. I was like, what the fuck you mean? What was
If
that?
you fuck up, the game is still going on. Play hard under cover.
That's talking about balls, man.
But what for hard You played a good job. When you kept playing, you did a good job. Don't put your head
I
down.
told you last week, play up, man. Fuck it, who cares?
Don't put your head down to you're the fucking wrestler.
Put your head down now when you fucking lose. Don't put your head down when you lose.
Bro, and what Fahad said about the press, that they gotta push him in a certain direction, we can only do that if all mans are on the same page about a press.
It's the same thing on offense as defense. When we press as a team. When we
Press
play
as a
up,
team.
play up as a team.
Fill the gaps if somebody goes up to a different spot.
And when you play up on the press and you play it over to one side, they force them a long ball, there's enough time to recover for the long passes. There's not enough time to recover for the short passes on the press. And go
Play
long, we'll get
physical.
back, bro. We'll get back.
A lot of these guys don't want it.
if you play physical, you gotta
Play physical.
The little Esteban looking guy, bro, body that little fuck.
Bro, why?
Fuck you. Fuck you, bitch.
Even if you don't get the ball or something with your physical, they'll think twice about doing the same thing the next time. That's an example. Keep your fucking
I think when we're aggressive, we actually look like a problem. When we have like a few 1-2.
You look like men playing a sport.
Oh, fuck, I'm scared to do that. When we play like we're passive and shit, we look like we're shit.
But technically, we only considered one goal.
Yeah.
Exactly.
That's not how it works. It's not the goal that's the problem. Well, listen, I'm sorry, but we gave these shit boxes too many looks. These guys are fucking garbage, and like, I know we're doing something for fun, but I'm low-key fucking ashamed right now that we gave these fat fucks these shit boxes, that fucking fat light-skinned Jamaican striker that likes fat white women 100%, too many looks, bro. We gave those fuckers way too many looks, bro.
No, man. It's good that you're frustrated because that means you care, bro. If you were not frustrated, that would be a bad thing.
It's actually fucking, like, I'm fucking embarrassed.
But you guys didn't play that bad.
Fucking easy ass game, bro.
Bro, like, if you're nervous,
You guys didn't
if
play
you guys are
that
nervous, so let me arm on Apple just as smart, bro. We'll set the tempo, man. Crazy shit. I'm telling you.
Bro, I'm scared to be nervous. Just now one of us the ball. One of us walking around is better than somebody else nervous.
I can't lie, very times like I got the ball and I looked up and I had like no options.
Yeah.
Well, the thing is, you guys have to remember that we're not really. If you guys want to win, we're not options. We're decoys.
You guys are not.
No, but I'm telling these guys that play.
I know, no, but
we're not options.
No, you are. It doesn't matter. Like you still did shit. Like
We are, but we're not.
I had so many. No. You guys are. Make good runs. You guys make good runs.
Disagree.
I don't have an issue that like I'm passing you the ball. You're not receiving it. And I
don't say you don't have options.
No, but the thing is, even if you're, the thing is, you'll make a good run and you'll take somebody out. But then there's so much. You get marked. Right? The issue isn't that like we pass you guys the ball and you guys push the ball. The issue is that there's nobody to pass the ball to.
Yeah.
Bro, if you guys are
It's
nervous,
a big field for 5 guys, so we can't space it. We can easily space out too far. It's so easy to space out too far from each other, bro.
Bro, and if you're tracking back and they're getting the ball and making a run, track back quick on defense. And mark somebody.
Going up to the ball and pass it and then start fighting the guy.
Yeah, bro.
He zoned out with the ball on his feet, bro.
You were up there?
When you're up there, and he was here. He's zoned out. He's just like,
I didn't pull it out.
Yeah, I was. Oh, there was a space in the middle, but yeah, I guess I should.
Bro,
Guys
in the back, make it like quick. Like, we need to move the ball, get to the midfield, and then we can move it. Yeah. If we're taking too long for us, then we have to come back and rest for
Head.
We're losing people.
My bad.
No, let's try us three back.
No, I'm saying
Well, I'm saying if you guys are nervous, me, Abdul, Arman, Justin, Neil will start. We'll set the tempo.
I'm not nervous, bro. I don't get nervous.
Yeah, bro, but like, man's are playing a bit too serious, bro. Like,
No, it's not okay, but like,
don't go into it like we're gonna lose, but at the same time, don't play like winning's the only option, bro. Just have fun.
Let loose and have fun, but play hard.
no, but that's what I'm saying. That's my issue. That's not
Yeah, why you tense?
He's
bro?
saying that's not the issue. The issue is like the game sense is lacking if you've been playing soccer.
Yeah.
Is that what you're saying?
Yeah.
You guys need to fix it.
Like there's no expectation from me, Abdul, and Ravi. No offense.
But the thing is, like,
But everybody else, you guys gotta kind of carry it.
You guys
in
are playing on
parts.
our level still.
We're kind of looking at you guys to do your parts, right?
You guys are playing on our level stuff.
We're
We have
just-
5 match rating.
We're just your side pieces.
I won't lie, bro. Like he's been like very consistent, like every game
Yeah.
he's played well.
Yeah.
Like, and this guy doesn't fucking play. I can't say that for everybody else.
Okay.
Well, I get those reps.
The thing is that we're seeing lots of stuff right now, but everyone is very visual. So you guys need to watch the game and explain what you did wrong and what you need to do better. Because people don't have that ability.
I'm gonna watch this back with my girl.
You guys played well, like offensively. You know, you actually string passes together. You played it short, not playing long balls. I saw them doing long balls. I saw them doing long balls. They kept losing it every time. You actually play well. Like
Losing permanent, eh?
We got desperate.
you guys need to be more aggressive. Though.
First half we did short ball.
You need to concentrate and crack your mans. Like
No, fact. I think systematic wrestling, like when it's like we all do it at the right time, is perfect.
Bro, there was a moment I see them like fucking there was fear in them. Like,
Yes, that you were controlling the game. Bro, bro,
the panic and then fucking
Nah, bro, we gave them 2 goals. We gave them 2 goals.
I don't count the last one. I don't count the last
Okay, no, we gave them 1 goal.
no, two goals that
That's a right to it.
No, I'm saying like the thing is,
my first goal we gave it to them.
like regardless, like the first goal, like yeah, we gave it to them, but it was good play from them. Second goal, we made a mistake, but the issue isn't that we conceded the second goal. The issue was as soon as we conceded the second goal, I really felt like a complete drop in morale. Like
Yeah, that's that.
I felt very frustrated, but like I didn't shit myself. I was like, okay, still win, right?
I feel like I left a lot of minutes.
you guys played better.
I think we improved still. I think we improved.
yeah, that last game last week was fucking horrible. Last week this man was about to quit. You could see it in his eyes, bro. Bro, the man probably is faking an injury or something, man.
Tell him.
I saw the whole thing. I was looking at. I just thought he was. There was
China, man. Justin, you know what? Let me tell you something. I gotta tell you something. I gotta tell you this in camera. Okay. When you had the chance, my heart rate went up, and I actually thought that you were gonna score, man.
Like, bro, I could have did the celebration.
Yeah.
Are they Egyptian?
Okay.